If someone asked you right now to pull up a contract from 2024, how long would it take you? Would you know exactly where to click? Or are you just going to start guessing? Search bar first? Sure, if you can remember some of the words in that contract. Or random folder diving? Or do you actually need to call or email someone to find that file? If you hesitated for even a second, this video is for you. I'm Tracy of The Confident Click, and I help businesses get digital clarity so their technology can work for them, not against them. Not being able to find your files is not just inconvenient, it can actually hurt your business. I once had to send a price list to a client, and I had three different versions on my Google Drive in three different folders. But I sent her what I thought was the right one. After talking to her, I found out I sent her an older one with lower prices. That cost me in the end. And that's what got me to look at thinking about file management differently. Most business owners think that they have a Google Drive problem, but it's actually a structure problem. For instance, files saved in whatever folder you happen to be in at that moment. No consistent naming system, randomly sharing files, mixing personal and business files, searching instead of knowing. Search works until it doesn't. Having multiple versions of files, vague file names, uploading things differently at different times. You've renamed something three or four times and now you don't remember which version you're on. There is a lot going on, but it's not that you're bad at Google Drive. It's that no one has ever showed you how to architect it. So here's the thing. Your Google Drive doesn't just fall apart overnight. It happens slowly. You start your business, it's just you, and you save things wherever you happen to be at that time on the desktop, in downloads, maybe in documents. But it works because you can remember where you are putting these few files. Then you grow. You hire someone. You share a folder. You duplicate a document instead of renaming it. You download something, move it, don't know where you moved it, and then download it again. And nothing breaks immediately, so you keep going until one day you can't find something that you really need and you know you have it somewhere. And now you are in a panic guessing. That's when people start to think, I need a better search, or I need a new app, or I need project management software. But that's not the problem. The issue is this: you built initially for survival, but you never rebuilt for scale. And Google Drive doesn't punish you immediately, it waits until you are busy. Then it makes you look disorganized at the worst possible moment. Let me give you one small shift that will change how you are saving files starting today. I call it the future you test. You're in a document. Before you click save or close the document, pause for 3 seconds and ask yourself, if someone asked me for this file 3 months, 6 months, a year from now, would I know exactly where to look? Not, could I search for it? Not, I would probably find it, but would I know exactly where to look? Because here's the problem. When we save files, we're saving them for now us. We save them wherever we're working, whatever folder we already have open, just whatever feels convenient, if we even really think about it at all. But the person who has to find that file later, that's future you. Future you is busy. Future you doesn't remember what you were thinking, and future you doesn't want to guess. So, if you're saving something and you can't say in one clear sentence where that file is going to live, say, for example, clients, Smith, 2026 contracts. If you can't do that, then you don't have clarity yet. And if you don't have clarity when you save it, you definitely won't have clarity when you're under pressure to find it. Try that for a week. The future you test. Before you save or close a document, ask yourself, if I have to look for this in 3 months, will I know exactly where to go? This question will immediately show you where your structure is weak without reorganizing a single file. And here's what most people find out when they do try this for a few days. They realize it's not just one file or a couple of files, it's the whole thing, the whole file structure. And think of it this way, if you can't clearly describe where a file lives, that's not a memory issue. That's an architecture issue. That means you're ready for structure. Not more tips, not more apps, but a clear, concise method of structuring your files. And if you're tired of guessing where your files are and you're serious about fixing this and not just tolerating it, join my live Google Drive workshop. I walk you through step by step, building a good foundation for your Google Drive that works for you and lets you get to work. Join the next round using the link below.